I'll be taking your PSM theory. Okay, I will start with a new chapter. Okay, for PSM theory, I will be starting with a new chapter. Write down chapter 3, hygiene. Write down chapter 3 is hygiene. HYGINE, hygiene. I won't take for that long. Okay, class. Write down hygiene. What do you mean by hygiene? Anyone? Anybody knows the meaning of hygiene? Nobody knows? Srijana, what is hygiene?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you mean by hygiene?
Ma'am, personal care.
Yes, personal care, personal cleanliness, how to maintain good habits, good personal hygiene, good personal habits. So that is all about hygiene. In short, I'm saying, okay, but it has some. Are you able to see the screen, all of you? Can you see the screen? Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, write down. It's a new chapter, and the name of the chapter is hygiene. What is hygiene? Okay, hygiene is mainly to preserve our health. Okay, without cleanliness, without maintaining personal hygiene, okay, you will obviously be an unhealthy person. Okay, so hygiene is very much important to lead a good life. To lead a healthy life, we need to be hygienic. Okay, and that is why it is an important topic. Although it is a easy and a most common topic, but it is important to know about hygiene. And it was also given by the WHO. The definition of hygiene according to WHO was to maintain health and also to prevent the spread of different kinds of diseases. Okay, that was the definition given by the WHO. Personal hygiene refers to maintaining the body's cleanliness. So write down, and also write down the good personal hygiene, the steps of good personal hygiene. What habits should be there? First of all, you should wash your body often. Okay, that means you should always take a bath daily. Okay, you should bath daily. You should at least brush your teeth twice a day. Okay, that is morning and once after having your dinner at night. So twice a day is mandatory, not only after getting up in the morning. Okay, that is not enough. So why? So that it can prevent from tooth decaying and also from various kinds of gum diseases and also from the bad odor from the mouth. Okay, so you should always maintain hygiene of your oral cavity. Next is you should wash your hair properly. Okay, then you should wash your hands regularly with soap. Why? Or antiseptic solutions. Why? So that you can maintain hygiene of your hands, because most of the germs are always sticking into our hands, which is invisible to our naked eyes. Okay, especially after toileting. Okay, you should always wash your hands before eating food. You should wash your hands after having meal. You should wash your hands even after, before patient care. Okay, any kind of care that is given to the patient in the hospital setting, at that time also you should wash your hands. And after care, after the care that is given to the patient, even after that you should wash your hands. Washing hands is very much mandatory. Okay, and even the World Health Organization has also given few steps of hand washing. There are 7 steps for hand washing. Okay, how to wash the hands in a proper manner. So it will be coming slowly. Then you have to um, wear clean clothes. Okay, also you should hang your clothes in sunlight. Okay, you should dry your clothes in sunlight. Why? Because there are certain germs, and I already told you about the germs and microorganisms that are invisible to the naked eye. The sun's heat can kill those germs and parasites present in the clothes. Okay, so you should always keep it under the sun. And also you should always cover your mouth and nose before sneezing. Okay, whenever you sneeze, you should not like the other person is sitting or standing near you, and you should not sneeze. Okay, you should always use a handkerchief. You should close your mouth. So these are some of the points of a good personal hygiene. Personal means your own hygiene, how to maintain your own hygiene. First of all, when you will maintain your own hygiene, then you can also advise to the other people. Okay, by seeing you, people will also follow you. But without being an example, nobody will follow you. Okay, you will only say like you should wash your hands properly, you should bath daily, but you yourself, if you don't do that, then there is no use of telling somebody else. So personal hygiene is a must, and it is mandatory to be maintained by all. Okay, boys, girls, young, old, everyone should maintain good personal hygiene. Okay, so write all these points. It's a very easy chapter. Did you understand? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, write down.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
एक
Hmm?
मैम ये सेमिनार का नहीं है क्या मैम जो?
नहीं नहीं, सेमिनार हम कल लूंगी, ठीक है? आज मतलब
नहीं मैं
दो लोग।
मेरा
हाँ,
मेरा पार्टनर एक तो रोबिन रियांग का कांटेक्ट मिला है, बट प्रकृति राय समथिंग उसका पता भी नहीं मैम.
प्रकृति राय, आई थिंक वो ग्रुप में देखो, ग्रुप में देखो।
नंबर को उसका नहीं मिल रहा था.
ग्रुप पे है वो, देखो उसका नंबर, या फिर तुम
थैंक
लोग
यू
का
मैम.
सीआर
कल
से
लेगा.
मांगो।
ओके मैम, कल लेगा ना आप?
तुम लोग का डेट कब है?
11 को है मैम. मैं
तो 11 को लूंगी।
ओके मैम, इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट और नोट्स मैम?
It is must to give your seminar. You have to present
मैम
your
मेरा
seminar.
मेरा फ्रंट कैमरा जो बहुत खराब हो गया मैम ना,
तो
तो
पेरेंट्स का यूज
कैसे
करो,
कैसे?
या फिर एक दिन के लिए किसी से एडजस्ट करो। बिकॉज तुम अगर
ओके
फ्रेंड्स को बोल रहे हो तो विद योर ऑडियो ऑफ, तो यू कैन शो योर चार्ट पेपर्स ना, यू कैन शो योर स्लाइड्स। तो तुम्हारा वीडियो तो ऑन होना पड़ेगा ना। एक दिन के लिए मैनेज करो।
ओके मैम, थैंक यू मैम.
ओके ओके। Finish writing?
No, ma'am.
Have you finished?
No, ma'am.
First, this paragraph, have you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
है यार कमाल जल्दी खत्म करो यार
Finish writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Now write down the personal hygiene. Okay. From here, this paragraph no need to write. Don't write this paragraph. Okay. It's the same. Okay. In personal hygiene also, there are a few things you just need to write. Write down the first paragraph. And first, third, and fourth you write. Don't write second and third. Okay. Did you understand? Just write down personal hygiene. Write down the first paragraph, third paragraph, and fourth paragraph. Don't write these two paragraphs. Sabun wasm.
Mencit. Come mencit. Di Sarwan. Di Sarwan.
Finish writing? Have you finished?
No, ma'am.
Just write this first paragraph and the last two paragraphs. Lisa. I have no other choice. If in future, if they need again, I will give my original wala. বিৰাট বদমাছ তো। Finish everyone?
Ma'am.
Finish writing?
Last point.
Please write fast. Only 1 minute is left. Remaining meeting time is just 1 minute. Otherwise, take a screenshot. Take a screenshot and write it down later. Have you taken a screenshot?
Yes,
Take a
ma'am.
screenshot. Okay.
Last point.
Take a screenshot. Okay. Okay then. Thank you. We all can leave the meeting.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
ma'am.
Thank you. Good night, ma'am.
Good night.
Thank you, ma'am. Tata.
Okay.
Ma'am, what about the attendance?
Give it to Srijana.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.